Everybody look this way and say cheese.
Cheese!
Okay, it's a video camera, not a photo camera. Hey everyone, welcome to the CaptainDrone YouTube channel. My name is Steve. This is me back here, Steve. This giant thing is the FMS Cessna 182. This wingspan is 1500 millimeters. I'll put what that is in inches. The great thing about this plane is that the wings come off very simply because below the wings, I don't know if I can flick it here and around so you can see it, but over here there's little switches. You just press those and the wings come straight off. So you can transport this if you have a very tiny car. Now today's video is a fun video. The reason it's a fun video is because since this is a super popular plane, very easy to fly, it looks gorgeous, has a pilot in it, all the cool stuff. Well, since it's so much fun and since I reviewed it last May in the year 2024, I did a full review. So if you look at the screen right now, that is the icon, the thumbnail for the review. Go check it out and you'll see everything you need to know about this plane as well as how to assemble it. But since I did that review, lots of people have bought this plane as well as many of my friends, and now 6 of my friends have this plane. So I said, hey guys, why don't we fly them all together in formation and see if we don't crash into each other. Now, I did put cameras on some of the planes to give you some really cool flight footage, also filming from the ground with my hat cam and some other cameras. So watch the 6 of us having fun together and then come back to me and I'll tell you a bit more about this plane. All right, let me just show you the cast of characters we have here for this formation flying, which could turn out to be really awesome or a disaster. So here we have Cannon. Cannon, have you modified your Cessna?
I have, yes.
Show that quick.
I added a couple of lights to the front, so I got landing lights to make it stick out a little bit better, and I put in an extra pilot in there, so I got my son flying and my daughter as co-pilot.
Okay, can you lift it because I can't see your daughter? Is she in there?
Yeah, she's in there on the side.
Let me see on the side. I don't see the big head. Oh, there we go. You can just barely see her. Too much reflection. But anyways, I believe you. She's in there. And a flashy light on the bottom, right?
On the bottom.
Okay, that's good. And then over here we have Joe. Joe hasn't flown this plane very much, but he's just getting used to it. And have you done any modifications beside the dice that you put in the dash?
I got a couple of hanging fuzzy dice, and I've got a little troll in the...
Oh, I do see the troll. See, yours I can see inside nicely. The troll and the fuzzy dice and the pilot. Cool. All right, that's good. And then over here we have Ron. Ron used to be an F1 racer, so he does fly fast. And what have you done to your plane, Ron?
Actually, absolutely nothing.
Nothing?
That's been great.
But you have these little fuzzy things down here.
Oh, that's dollar store stuff.
Oh, dollar store stuff. All right, okay.
Tassels.
And then we come to me. I'm over here, but I'm using the camera, so the only thing I've done to mine is, of course, the CaptainDrone. I did fly it with the Canada flag, but the Canada flag flops all over the place. You can't see it. And Ron put some little fuzzy tassels. Then we come over to Jedi Steve, and he has an interesting headgear.
Yes, I'm going to be FPVing, so no modification on my plane, but I got an FPV backpack.
So he flies FPV. He's got the
O3 system, so
yeah,
should be
FPV.
good.
So he's going to fly behind us and try to capture some footage of us flying. Yep. And then finally, last but not least, we have Jacques. Jacques' only flown the plane a few times, and he's getting used to it. Yep. And have you done any modifications, Jacques?
Only the things that Ron added to it on top.
Oh, right there, the little fuzzy things. Okay, that's good. And I guess I'll ask everybody, how do you like the plane? Does it fly well?
It's a good flyer. Yes, I really like it. It's nice and smooth, very easy.
Very easy to fly, good. And Jedi Steve with the FPV?
Flyer, easy flyer.
And Ron, the lead foot?
Beginner's easy flyer.
Easy flyer. And of course, Joe.
As you say in your videos, your grandma could fly this.
Grandma rated. And of course, Cannon, who is a maniac.
I reviewed this before and I really like it, and it's very pretty.
Excellent.
Nice to look at.
All right, well, let's go fly. Here we are getting organized and sorted out. Batteries are going in the planes, radios are becoming connected to the planes, cameras are going on certain planes, and we're almost ready to fly.
Get real now, boys. Get real.
Real. That camera's recording.
Getting nervous now.
Okay, gents, is everybody ready to fly? If you're all ready to fly, I'm going to come and start all the cameras. So everybody's batteried up, set to go. Okay, all cameras are on, the recording, and I gotta find my radio. And just like mentioned last time, as soon as we take off, everybody back to that line.
Ready.
I was staring at Jack, he was in my way. Coming down, low pass. Okay, low pass over runway. There we go. Nicely done. Whoa, so many planes going overhead. Low pass, and back up. Over the parking lot, I'll stay higher than Ron. Okay, Ron, you can dart ahead of me. There you go. Nicely done, nicely done. Okay, one more low pass and then that's it. Last low pass for everybody. Whoa, there's a plane under my wing. Whoa. That's a little close there, guys. Okay, landing now. Ron, come down, land. Okay, everybody slow down. Let the guy in front of you land. Come on down, Ron. I'm right behind you coming down. And reverse thrust. I'm going off the field. Whoa! Watch out, Jack. I was just trying to get it off the field. A little crazy. All right, who's coming down now? Is this Joe? Okay. Okay, here we have Jacques. He's over on the grass. Can he make the runway? He'll make it. Can he do it? He's coming right at me. He's got to hit one of us. There we go. And then we have FPV Steve. Let's see if he can land with an FPV camera on his head. A little bit of bounce. And he should have it now. There we go. Nicely done. All right, you're back to me. Wasn't that a cool video? Well, anyways, you can have fun as well if you want to get this plane. And if you want to see everything you want to know about this plane, go watch my full review. Once again, here's the thumbnail. This is what it looks like. I'll put a link below this video so you can go check it out. This plane is available all around the world, even in Canada, yes. And it does sell for the lovely price of $299 US. That's pretty decent. And you can get this plane with floats, so you can take off and land in water or take off and land on snow. As well, if you are a total beginner and you don't own any of your gear, you don't have a battery, you don't have a battery charger, you don't have a radio, you don't have a receiver, this plane does come in a ready to fly kit. I'll show you a picture of it on the screen here. Lovely plane to fly. So I'm just going to say thanks for watching this video. I'm putting links below this video to where you could buy it, and I hope you enjoyed our fun time together. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions on the Cessna, you can post your questions below and I'll get back to you. But for now, I say thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Until then, I say bye.